Now, how does the process work during rehabilitation after the exercise test?
So exactly like I explained now. So once if for instance someone has to start the rehabilitation, then we have various. I won't go into a lot of detail, but after the results, it's based on heart rate zone training, what they call. And we first of all have to identify the point. We call it the anaerobic threshold, where the heart and the lungs are struggling to provide enough oxygen.
Okay.
And the body has to move across and start using carbohydrates as well, because the heart and the lungs are struggling to supply enough oxygen. So we identify the point on our heart rate where you exercise, and then once you go over that heart rate zone where the heart and lungs are struggling to supply enough oxygen, you go over into a new metabolic zone. And there, it's a whole scientific analysis, but once you start exercising, we normally, the high-risk patients, we keep the intensity below the anaerobic threshold. And you exercise, I call it in the green zone, where you ensure that the heart and the lungs are able to supply enough oxygen.